Good morning, everyone. Tim Morissette, Coldwell Banker, and we're in front of our great new listing at 54 Blazewood in the community of Foothill Ranch. This property features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a loft, and a great view lot. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, as you enter the private courtyard, I love this adobe flooring. This is like a little sanctuary. I can imagine doing some little yoga here, meditation, a little reading. So anyways, this is a nice space here in front of the house. Let's go inside. So, entering this beautiful property, you notice a 2-story ceilings. Loads of windows, you got a lot of natural light. You have a formal dining room. The house basically has no carpeting. You have tile floors downstairs, wood floors upstairs. From here, we go into the family room and kitchen. So I just love this kitchen. It's nice and open. Granite countertops upgraded, nice Euro white cabinetry, upgraded backsplash, stainless steel appliances. You have a breakfast bar here that you get is casual dining, then a breakfast nook. From here, we go to the adjoining family room, which has a cozy fireplace with all views of the backyard. Let's go check out the upstairs. So as we walk up the stairs, top of the landing, we have the loft. It has dual skylights, which is nice. Great workout area. A lot of clients will make this into a 4th bedroom. So adjacent to this area is the master bedroom. So as you enter the master bedroom through the double doors, you notice the high volume ceilings, the wood laminate floors, plantation shutters. These windows all have views, panoramic views. And from here, we travel into the master bathroom. The master bathroom features dual sinks, a large Roman soaking tub, separate shower enclosure, which has recently just been retiled. So as we leave the master suite, we come down the landing, you have the secondary bathroom and bedroom number 2 and 3. Both of these bedrooms have balcony access. Let's go in the backyard and look at the views. So it's obvious the seller loves cactuses, and I hope you do too. But we have a nice adobe backyard patio which matches the front entry, a great barbecue area. So if you're looking for a property with panoramic views, 3 bedrooms, a loft, over 2,100 square feet for $1.1 million or less, give us a call, 949-412-2233, the Morissette Group. Take care, be safe.